Welcome to our video lesson, Introduction to Maya, Creating and Modifying Polygon Primitives. Today we're going to hit on three main points. 1. Creating a polygon primitive. 2. Explaining basic polygon modification methods. And 3. Explaining the individual parts of a polygon. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go into the Create menu at the top, scrolling over Polygon Primitives, and selecting a shape. For this tutorial, we're just going to use a cube. So you click and drag, like so, to set the width. Release, click and drag again to set the height. Now that that's done, if you'd like to see it filled in or shaded, you can press 5 on your keyboard. Now, we're going to go over a second method to create polygons. We're just going to delete this one, and we go to the Polygon menu right here in our shelf, and we have our polygons right here on the left part of the polygon shelf. And once again, we're just going to select a cube, click and drag like we did before, and there you go. Now we're going to go over the basic polygon modification methods. For this, we're going to cover three basic tools: the Move tool, the Rotate tool, and the Scale tool. For the Move tool, we can either get to it by pressing W, or not. Anyways, we can click on the Move tool right there, and it'll bring up the handles, where you just grab them and move the polygon. And then we have the Rotate tool, where just grab right here on the dotted line, move it. We can also get to this tool by pressing E, but for some reason it doesn't seem to be wanting to work right now, so whatever. Anyways, next is the Scale tool. This lets us scale our polygon to whatever size we like. And those are our basic polygon modification methods. Now we're going to go over the individual parts of a polygon. You can get to them by clicking on your polygon, right click and hold, and it'll show us the parts right here. For this, we're just going to cover edge, vertexes, faces, and object mode. Edges are, quite literally, the edges of a polygon. You can just select them, and you can do whatever you like with them. Just move them around, change your polygon however you wish. Next is the vertexes, which is the corners of the polygon. Just like the edges, you can move them around and do whatever you wish. Although you don't want to cross them like this, or you'll get some kind of clipping. That's not good. Anyways, next is faces. Faces, pretty self-explanatory too. Just select one, and you can move it up and down, left and right, or left. Okay, there we go. And then next is object mode, which is kind of just like a reset. Just goes back to selecting the whole polygon itself, not the individual parts, just a polygon. And that concludes our basic Introduction to Maya, Creating and Modifying Polygon Primitives lesson. Thank you.